In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a single image or a carousel to Instagram. I've already grabbed some images from one of our content collections, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Schedule Posts. One of the features of our scheduling app is this optimal times or best times. So we're going to go ahead and start there. We're going to click on Instagram. Your darkest squares are going to be the most optimal time, or you can also go back into that best times and click on show percentage. So we're going to go ahead and choose a time that is the most optimal, and then just go ahead and click on that day and time to post. In another video, I'm going to show you how to post to multiple platforms at one time, but right now we're just going to go ahead and make sure that Instagram is clicked up here at the top. Now, this first step isn't required, but it is something that's going to help with SEO. I'm going to go to my caption generator. I'm going to find my file name and copy that. And then I'm going to hop back over to my scheduler, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the bottom here to upload my media. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste that file name into all of these images. I'm going to be showing you a single image first, but we are going to be doing a carousel. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that same file name for each of these. And again, that's just going to be a little something extra that's going to help you with your SEO. Now that we've got your image uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and jump back to my caption generator, and we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the caption into this post. Your caption generator is going to include the URL, which is helpful for platforms such as Pinterest or LinkedIn, but we don't need it here, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and add that location tag. So I've got a venue listed here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that and click down to my location here and add that location. If you don't have a specific location or it's not listed, you can always add a general location or, of course, your own business. The next thing we're going to do, which is also not required but does help again with SEO, is we're going to go ahead and come in here and we're going to add alt text. So the system is going to generate alt text for you using AI. So you can, of course, use that text, but your caption generator also contains custom alt text that's been written for your business. So if you want, you can copy that and then go ahead and override the text that's in there. Now, you may notice that there's an error down here, and that will happen a lot when you post a vertical image. A lot of times these will need to be resized, which is super quick and easy to do. I'm just going to go ahead and click on these little three dots on the image, and then I'm going to click on Edit Image. At the bottom of the screen here, you're going to want to click on Resize. And then for the dimensions, you're going to want to type in 1080 by 1350. That's going to be your standard Instagram size. And then go ahead and click on Save. And you'll notice now that that error is gone. If you want to add emojis to your post, you can add them with our little emoji tool down here at the bottom left. Your caption generator includes custom researched hashtags, but if you don't like the hashtags or you want to add additional hashtags, you can click on this handy hashtag tool. Next, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to tag people on Instagram. Your custom caption generator is actually going to generate a clean IG list, and that is made specifically for tagging people on Instagram. Copy that clean IG list. We're going to go ahead and hop back over to our scheduler, and we're going to click on those three dots and click on Tag People on Instagram. Then click on Add Tags and paste that clean IG list. You can also drag and drop those tags so that you can arrange them however you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add collaborators, which is found down here at Instagram Presets. I'm going to go ahead and add those three Instagram handles that we have included in the caption as collaborators by simply copying and pasting their Instagram handles into the collaborator area. Now, if you want, you can click on that show feed preview box and see what your post is going to look like in your Instagram grid. Now it's time to schedule your post. You can save it as a draft, send it out for review, schedule, publish now, or schedule it as recurring. We're going to go ahead and schedule and then click on schedule below. And that's it. You've scheduled your first post. I'm going to go ahead and use this same post to show you how to post a carousel. So let's go ahead and bring that up. And the only difference with a single image in a carousel is, of course, you're going to add additional images. Now you may notice when we added those additional images, we got that error message again. So we're just going to go into that one vertical image that we added, and we're going to go ahead and resize that to 1080 by 1350. So you only need to do that with your vertical images, not your horizontal images. Now, if you want, you can go through each of those images and update that alt text and those tags, or if you want, you can just keep them on that first image. Totally up to you. And that's it. You can see how quick and easy it is to create a single image post or a carousel post on Instagram.